welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I washed my hair. I already did my hair and styled my hair, so I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. And I'm just gonna do my little routine because I have a routine now. Well, I always had a routine, but I'm on a hair growth journey, so I'm gonna do my little hair growth oil treatments and stuff like that. And I'm also going to show y'all everything that I used for this wash day. So the mini twists are gone. It's been 2 weeks. I needed to wash my hair. So I decided to do something low maintenance, easy, simple, 4 braids. So these are my little 4 braids. They're nice and moisturized. Okay, I'm going to be taking these down tomorrow, so I'm going to be filming that as well, so stay tuned for that video. But yeah, I just decided to do 4 braids because I just wanted my hair to be done. I had to take down all those mini twists, and I just wanted something simple, so I was like, a simple 4 braid out it is. And I like this style because it's nice and simple. I'm not taking my hair down unless I'm going somewhere. At this part of my hair journey, I'm not really focused on doing all different kinds of hairstyles. I'm just focused on doing what works for me and what I know grows my hair, you know what I mean? Because like I said, my hair is long, but I want it longer. I want it to grow longer, and I know I can do that. So yeah. Obviously my hair is shrunken up right now, but this is going to be a really cute braid out, so let me just show you everything that I used on this braid out. So first things first, we're going to start off with my Olaplex treatment. This just helps my hair and it just helps my curls, so I really like it. It's all gone, but yeah, Olaplex number 3 definitely helps me. Hold on, my tripod is... Okay, I need to get a new tripod. It keeps sliding down for some reason. I don't know if my phone's too heavy or what, but anyway, Olaplex number 3 is really good if you have any type of damage or if you just want to revive your curls or strengthen your curls. This is definitely the way to go. So yeah, Olaplex number 3, really good for heat damage, color treated hair, processed hair. Olaplex is going to be your best bet if you want to get your hair nice and repaired, okay? So then I went in with my Melanin Hair Care African Black Soap Shampoo. I love this stuff so freaking much. When I tell you, me and Melanin Hair Care, we go together real bad. And that's another thing when it comes to hair growth. You just want to find staple products that work. That's it. That's all I can basically tell you. Find staple products, continue to use those products, keep your regimen, and your hair is gonna grow. So yeah, Melanin Hair Care for the win. For the shampoo, I did not use any conditioner because I didn't feel like it was necessary. I didn't use any deep conditioner because I didn't feel like that was necessary. So I went straight in with my Melanin Hair Care leave-in. This is the leave-in. And then I went in with the Twist Elongating Style Cream. I did not have my oil from this brand at the time, so I did use my Braid Beauty Glosser. So I did the LCO method, leave-in, cream, then oil. I applied all 3 of those to my hair, and then we got this result, nice and shiny and moisturized with good shrinkage, okay? So yeah. Those were the 3 products that I decided to use. And what I'm going to be doing now is just putting a little bit of oil on my hair. And yeah. This oil, I've been really consistent with using it. It's called the Black Beauty oil. As you can see, I've used that much. It was laying down on its side, which is why all the goodness and ingredients. Gotta shake it up a little bit. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Really, really nice, really, really cute. Black owned as well, and she's a small business. So what I'm gonna do, I don't like how glasses leave that little indentation. I'm gonna take it. And do just like that. And then I'm gonna do, oh, I need to add some more. And I just put that throughout my parts. Yeah. And I could add some on my edges too, if I want. Just a little bit. Low maintenance hairstyles make your hair grow because you're not touching it, you're not in it, and stuff like that. So yeah, I truly believe low maintenance hairstyles make your hair grow. That's why I do twist outs, braid outs, and that's pretty much the only two styles you see on my hair. Next, I'm gonna take some Kuza Indian hemp grease with chebe. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this, rub it on my fingertips. And go down. Same thing for across. Bam. And last but not least, my bonding oil from Shea Moisture. This is just like for shine. And bam, that's it. That's all. So that's all I'll be doing, really. I'm just trying to grow my natural hair longer. Shrinkage is going to happen. I'm not really worried about it. My curls look nice and juicy on the ends here. And yeah. Oh, I could oil my ends too. I'm gonna oil my ends. I just started incorporating this step and I'm already seeing a difference. Gotta make sure those ends are nice and oiled, just like your scalp, which makes sense because your ends are the oldest parts of your hair, so they need love too. And then add that excess oil. That feels good. All right, y'all, and that is it. That's all I do. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put my bonnet on. And I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned because I'm going to be taking down my hair in tomorrow's video. My hair's been like this for like 3 days, I believe. 3 days and some change. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe to my TikTok. My TikTok is Kyla Latrice 98. Okay. And I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.